What's up, y'all? We're back at it again. We're gonna be repotting my money tree. Got it for $19.99. It is pretty tall so far. I would say it's about almost maybe 2 feet, give or take. But this is very, very small. So we're gonna repot it into this, maybe 6-inch, 7-inch pot, give or take. There should be a lot of room for growth in there. Hopefully the tree will just thrive. So we'll go for it. This could be pretty simple. I mean, you just pop it out and you can actually see the roots are doing pretty darn good right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just soften it up a little bit just so that you can just massage it. And a lot of times people get scared for doing this, but it's not a scary thing. I mean, like, plants are pretty darn resilient. So you can be semi-aggressive with it and it'll be okay. So I'm just gonna be rotating it and just squeezing, rotate, squeeze, maybe get rid of the top layer just a tad bit, nothing too much, but we'll recycle all of this actually. And yeah, so we'll just continue to do that. And I could already see like one of the bigger roots right here, but I think that's good. I think that's enough. Cool. All right, so that's good. We'll actually put this back in this pot for now while we prep our terracotta pot. So usually you want to put something on the drainage hole. I don't have anything, so I've seen some tan bark actually popping off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repurpose that and kind of just not plug it up the hole, but I will just kind of layer them on top of each other so that there is quote unquote drainage happening. And then from there, I'll just go ahead and recycle all of this, throw that back on top. And then I have another terracotta pot over here with soil inside. So I'll just go ahead and just start feeding that. Yeah, just start throwing that inside. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just throw some soil into that. And I really only went up to about here with soil. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab my little homie. I'm gonna just kind of get him comfortable in there and then just start throwing some soil all around. Okay, on each side. There's no more in there. So I'll go ahead and grab the bigger terracotta pot. But I got some dirt in here. I'm gonna rotate this guy because I need to get some dirt in there. So let's go ahead and break it up. I just realized why I should have probably not been filming the way that I'm filming right now. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on YouTube or if I'm going to not put this on YouTube or put this on a different platform. I don't know, because the video is almost 5 minutes long, but so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna pack it down a little bit, not too much. Yeah, I think we're good. And then at this point, we're gonna water, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bottom water. So what I have over here on the side that I need to grab is a tub of water. So that should be good. Cool, let me grab my water real quick. Ugh. Now I'm leaving like a gap, like maybe 1/2 inch, maybe a little less than that all around. And one of the reasons why is because I don't know if you don't want to do this. I don't want to do this because I've learned from it is when I put the soil like to the rim, what happens is when I start watering from the top, it kind of just spills out. So I want at least a 1/2 inch gap so that when I do water from the top, it sits there and then it gives it time to sink in. But today we're gonna bottom water. So I have a little tub here. I'm literally just gonna sit this inside the water. And I'll probably leave this in here for about 5 minutes. Just let it kind of soak up as much water as it can. And then from there, pull it out, put it on a tray or something so that, yeah, it just kind of settles. And then we're done. We are finished, my friends. That is how I repot. That's how you repot a money tree. This plant probably needs some pruning, but I'm not gonna do that in this video. I might do another video about pruning. Not an expert, but hey, if you enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, my friends, be safe. God bless. Have a good one.